Sa akin kasi that falls into two categories. One is, hindi na anal. Sa bansa natin, di ba, magpakatotoo tayo talaga. Kasi, hindi ko naman sinisikreto sa inyo, pinagdaanan ko yon. So in the eyes of society, you are, because he's not legally free, then what you're doing is against societal norms. But yung demarcation line, I think, is that pag inuuwian pa, pag cohabiting pa, at ang pinapakita sa lipunan sila pa rin, tapos umangkas ka pa rin, medyo tanungin mo na sarili mo bakit. Pero kadalasan, di ba, marami naman din na ang sitwasyon was that they've lived separate lives and they just have this agreement na, parang yung War of the Roses, if you're familiar with that, di ba? Kasi the truth, it's super expensive to annul. Secondly, it's so messy. Third, it's bloody. And some people just don't want to go through it. Some will just say na status quo, nagkakaintindihan naman tayo. So, yung perspective ko, honestly, sinabi ko kay Direk Chito, Direk, napagdaanan ko na yan. Parang nalagpasan ko na yan. Napagtagumpayan ko na yan. Balik pa ako. Tapos sinabi niya, kasi nga, mapapasok mo na dyan. You've seen it from both sides of the coin. Yun ang pagkasabi sa akin. Sabi niya, you've also been married and you know what it's like. You know what it's like na to have had a third party in that marriage also. And sabi niya, coming from someone who understands what the law is like and how difficult it is to extricate yourself. Sige na, trust me. O di, okay, I trusted.